The woman accidentally heard a sound coming from the trophy, so she shook it vigorously to confirm. It turned out the court hearing was tomorrow. Her husband's lawyer had told her to go home and polish their daughter's trophy. In that moment, she understood everything. Anna ruthlessly smashed the trophy to pieces, but was shocked to find a USB drive inside. She quickly picked it up. She knew its contents must be related to her husband. To verify her suspicion, she plugged the USB drive into her computer. However, when she saw what was on it, she never expected it to be a video of her husband assaulting Lisa. She had originally thought Lisa had seduced her husband, but now she realized how vile her husband truly was. Although she felt somewhat conflicted, the thought of her daughter's future made her decide to defame Lisa as having been a willing participant to secure her husband's acquittal in court. A few days prior, after Lisa found out her sister-in-law had been fired because of her, she decided to hand over the recording of Anna bribing her to the police. When the police heard the recording, they asked Lisa why she hadn't provided it sooner. Lisa explained she hadn't wanted to implicate others, but now Anna had targeted her sister-in-law. After making a copy of the recording, the police immediately summoned Anna and her superior. Seeing the evidence, the other party didn't dare to argue and quickly apologized to her. But just as Lisa was heading home, Anna suddenly stopped her. Anna urged her to drop the lawsuit, but Lisa firmly insisted she would not give up. Surprised by Lisa's resolve, Anna's superior comforted her, saying he would find a way to help. However, what comforted Lisa was that when bystanders saw her husband erasing the graffiti, they all voluntarily stepped forward to help. She realized the public was on her side. She proactively thanked these compassionate people, even moved to tears. The police soon informed Lisa that the prosecutor's office had filed a formal indictment with the court. A result would come within 3 months, just when everything seemed ready. What Lisa never expected was that Anna had obtained the video of her husband's assault.